Never cease from exploring. Progress knows no bounds. The efficiency king among peer products. Witnesses every step you take. The P-Series sheet metal laser cutting machine is capable of 200 meters per minute lightning-fast idle movement. In milliseconds, the laser head instantly reaches the cutting position and commences the cutting process immediately. One-second edge finding for precise positioning, precise recognition for secondary processing of any workpiece. The self-developed groundbreaking laser scanning cutting technology cut highly reflective materials effortlessly. Gathering multiple advantages, the P-Series sheet metal laser cutting machine increases comprehensive processing efficiency of a single sheet by 25% compared to 2.8 G, setting a new record for production output. Behind the king efficiency lies the powerful support of cutting-edge smart technologies. The P-Series sheet metal laser cutting machine, with the intelligent remnant layout, makes remnant layout a one-click task. The cutting seam automatic compensation achieves intelligent recognition and analysis of cutting seam image information. The adaptive adjustment of process parameters requires no manual measurement. The 35 seconds of rapid automatic nozzle changing saves time and efforts. The visual anti-collision function, ensuring safety production at all times. The P-Series sheet metal laser cutting machine is equipped with various automatic devices, freeing up manpower and effortlessly achieving loading and unloading. Chasing the ultimate speed. Creating the new legend. The P-Series sheet metal laser cutting machine leads the way as the king of efficiency.